Hi, I'm Hannah Ray, and today I'll be guiding you through a self-massage for the feet. This is a great add-on that you can do before or after your Pilates practice, or anytime you're craving a little extra self-care. We'll start by taking the thumbs and just walking them up and down the middle of your foot. I like to alternate pressing one thumb and then the other, kind of hand over hand, but you can do whatever works for you. We're just exploring the foot here, seeing if we notice any spots that are particularly tender, have little knots, or just feel really good to put some pressure on. Once you find a spot that feels interesting to you, you can just kind of hold the pressure of your thumb on it and then just wiggle your toes, a little point and flex, and you'll feel that that kind of moves the muscle underneath your fingers and gives it a nice little massage. Remember to be gentle on your feet here. We don't want to be mushing down too hard. You might be feeling some soreness or tenderness, but it shouldn't be anything that makes you wince. We're now going to take the thumbs and just kind of stroke along the foot. And again, you can really be in control of what pressure feels good for you. Some people do like a considerable amount of pressure on their feet in this way. For other people, it feels really nice to even just lightly brush the skin and give a little surface level massage. We'll bring our focus to the heel now, so it's just this kind of squeezing motion with the hand. You can kind of go underneath the heel or around the back, whatever feels good for you. And then moving to the top of the foot, you can just give it a little rub down. This can feel surprisingly intense, so be gentle and go at your own pace. Wrapping that up, we're going to move the foot over the top of our opposite thigh, and then we're going to wrap our fingers through our toes as best you can. This isn't possible for everybody, so if it's challenging for you to do, just see if you can get a couple fingers maybe between the first and second toe, and then one more notch that feels like it fits for you. Moving the foot now a bit farther off to the side, we'll squeeze the toes and take the ankle in some nice controlled circles. Some people also really like to get a little extra stretch in while doing this by hooking their elbow under their knee, just cradling the leg while they take the ankle in some circles. So you can be wherever you want to be and find the position that feels good for you. Let's make sure we reverse as well, so you can start to go the other direction if you haven't already. Really nice. Take a second, just unfurl the fingers, release those toes, maybe give them a little wiggle, and then take a second and just feel both your feet. They might feel really different even after that short massage. Let's get you even and do that all on the other side. We'll start by just exploring the foot with the thumbs, seeing if we can feel any tender spots. When you find one, feel free to put some pressure on it right away. Just go ahead and press down. Might feel a little intense, but that's okay. Just keep breathing through it and try to relax. Just a couple more here. Make sure you're breathing deeply through any strong sensations. We'll begin that stroking motion now, so just gently sliding one thumb at a time up the middle of the foot, using only as much pressure as feels good for you. Now taking the full hand, we'll do some of those heel squeezes, just giving a nice amount of pressure. The heel really works hard for us all day, but we don't often remember to give love to this part of the body, so really enjoy. Let's transition to rubbing the top of the foot, so just give it a nice little scrub down and enjoy that pressure. If this ever feels too intense because of the friction of skin on skin, you can always do any of these with a little massage oil and it helps a lot. Bringing the foot over the top of the opposite thigh. You can interlace your hands, just doing whatever works best for you. It may be different than the other side. And we'll take the ankle in those nice, juicy circles. Remembering, of course, that you can also hook underneath your knee and hold the leg up as well for that little bonus stretch. Taking those circles in the other direction now if you haven't already. Nice deep breaths. Enjoy this final part of your massage. Slowly release the fingers from the toes. Give the foot a final little squeeze, a little rub down. And then just let both your feet relax in front of you and see how different they feel than just 5 minutes ago when we began. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick self-massage. I'm so glad you took the time for some self-care today. If you want to continue to work on your feet, I've linked a couple more videos in the description, as well as the link to my online full-length mat classes. I would love to see you there. And if you want to support more free Pilates and wellness content on this channel, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe. It really does support us so much. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time on the mat.